Welcome. Today we discuss on the field capacity and estimation of the farm machinery cost. On theoretical field capacity, it is the rate of the field coverage of the implement based on 100% of the time at rated speed and covering the 100% of its rated width. Then it is calculated in hectare per hour, where width of plowing in centimeter and speed in kilometer per hour divided by 1000, or if the field efficiency is given, the formula becomes practical cover, that is when width of plowing in meter and speed in kilometer per hour. Now effective field capacity is the actual area covered by the implement based on its total time consumed and its width. And field efficiency is the ratio of the effective field capacity to the theoretical field capacity expressed in percent. Now the estimating of the cost of the tractor, it is classified, the cost of operation of the tractor is divided into heads known as fixed and operating cost. And fixed cost contain depreciation, interest rate on the capital, housing, insurance and taxes. Then operating costs contain the fuels, lubricants, repair and maintenance and wages. Then depreciation, it under the fixed cost, it is the loss of the value of the machine with the passage of the time, and it is calculated as equal to D is equal to C minus S upon L into H, where D is the depreciation per year, C is the capital investment, S is the salary value, it is taken as 10% of the capital value, and H is the number of working hours per year, and L is the life of the machine in a year. Now interest is calculated on the average investment of the tractor, taking into consideration the value of the tractor in the first and last year. And it is calculated by this formula, where I is interest per hour and I taken is the actual interest rate. Now the housing is the calculated on the basis of the prevailing rate in the locality in general. It may be taken as 1% of the initial cost of the tractor per year. Insurance again taken as a 1% of the initial cost of the tractors per year. Taxes is also taken as a 1% of the initial cost of the tractors per year. Now the operating cost, the fuel cost is calculated on the basis of the actual fuel consumption on the tractors. Lubricants, charges of the lubricant should be calculated on the actual consumption. In general, it may be taken as 30 to 35% of the fuel cost, and repair is varies 5 to 10% of the initial cost of the tractor. Wages, it is calculated on the basis of the actual wages of the drivers. Now the problems, first calculate the cost of operation of 35 HP tractor per hour, and HP is given, and initial cost is given of the tractor, life is also given, the number of hours is given, and interest rate of the capital is 10%, and cost of the diesel is 50 per liter, and fuel consumption is 5 liter per hour. Wages of the tractors per hour, drivers per annum is given. Lubricant cost is also 35% of the fuel cost. So how to calculate the cost analysis? It is given data. Now on the basis of this, we find out the first depreciation. By this formula, we get 34 per hour. Now fixed cost interest, then housing cost taken 1%, insurance also similarly taken, taxes also taken, and total fixed cost is 80.90 rupees per hour. Now the operating cost, fuel cost is given, then we calculate the lubricant cost, 35% of the fuel cost, then repair and replacement cost, then wages, and total operating cost, we get the 413.33. Therefore, the total cost of operation per hour is total fixed cost plus total operating cost. we get the 493.52. Therefore, total cost of operation per HP hour is calculated. We get the 40. Thank you very much.